sawfish's teeth on the snout are modified dermal denticles, not true teeth. Some fish, like the mudskipper, can live and move on land using their fins and breathe through their skin. Baby ducks are covered in soft down feathers, not actual feathers at birth. Some caterpillars are venomous or brightly colored for defense against predators. All octopuses are venomous, but only a few, like the blue-ringed octopus, are deadly to humans. Penguins are flightless birds adapted for swimming, using flipper-like wings to fly underwater at speeds up to 15 miles per hour. Turtle shells consist of two parts, the top carapace and the bottom plastron, both formed by fused bones. Crocodile eyes and nostrils are positioned to stay above water, while the rest of their body remains submerged. Some jellyfish species, like Turritopsis dorni, are biologically immortal by reverting to an earlier life stage. Squids use jet propulsion by expelling water through a funnel to swim quickly, reaching speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour, 25 miles per hour. Dolphins produce milk to nurse their young, despite living entirely in water. Chimeras have existed for nearly 400 million years, making them ancient cousins of sharks with distinctive traits. Whales exchange up to 90% of the air in their lungs with each breath, much more efficiently than humans. Sea lions are opportunistic feeders, consuming fish, squid, and sometimes stealing from fishing gear. Regarding reproduction, most ducks form monogamous pairs for a breeding season, but do not mate for life. There are over 4,700 species of frogs found on every continent except Antarctica. Horses are herd animals with strong social bonds. They can sleep both standing and lying down, thanks to a locking mechanism in their legs. Despite their reputation, great white sharks rarely attack humans, often taking a sample bite out of curiosity. Snails belong to the mollusk family, related to slugs, octopi, and clams. The bright coloration of clownfish helps lure other fish into the anemone, where they become prey for the anemone. Crabs communicate by rubbing their claws and legs together to make sounds. Some species of hammerhead sharks gather in large schools during the day, then hunt alone at night. Sharks vary greatly in size, from the tiny dwarf lantern shark, only about 8 inches long, to the massive whale shark, which can exceed 40 feet in length and weighs several tons. Lions do not purr, and their claws are protractable, staying sheathed when at rest to keep sharp. Seals spend most of their lives in water, but come ashore or onto ice to breed, molt, rest, or avoid predators. Cicadas spend most of their lives underground as nymphs and only come out for a few weeks to sing and mate. Their loud buzzing can be heard from far away and is made by vibrating membranes called tymbals. Ladybugs are beneficial insects to gardeners and farmers because they consume many plant-damaging pests, such as aphids, whiteflies, scale insects, and mites.